So you want to get started with affiliate marketing, but you don't have any money. Guess what? We've all been there. We've all been in that place. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can do affiliate marketing and get started making some money without a single penny down. Stay tuned. No money, no problem. Okay, 3 ways that you can start making money as an affiliate marketer without any money to start. Guess what? Pretty much every affiliate marketer started out that way. I started out that way. I promise you it's totally possible to grow from there. Okay, 3 things before we get started. The first one is, if you've not subscribed to this channel, you need to subscribe to this channel. I put out tons of videos on affiliate marketing, and especially geared at beginners and people that are just getting started in the whole game of affiliate marketing. The second thing is, if you stay till the end, we're going to have a training, a link to a free training that you can get, and it's basically going to take you inside of my affiliate marketing business. It's going to show you how I was able to grow it, how it runs, how I was able to win a car about 2 years ago, and how I'm able to make a full-time income basically off of affiliate marketing. And then the third thing is, how long have you been an affiliate marketer? If it's been like 3 days, that's great. That's awesome. This video is probably primarily geared towards you. If not, let me know how long you've been doing this. Let's dive right into it. Okay, before we get started, there's one thing you need to understand for all this to work, and that is the nature of online traffic. Okay, so affiliate marketing is all about getting people to click your links, right? That's the whole name of the game, is getting people to click your links. We call that traffic, these people that come and click our links. And the only way we're going to get traffic is through paid or organic methods, okay? Basically, every platform on the internet that we're going to use typically has a paid way to access that platform, and it has an organic way to access that platform, okay? So think Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all these places you can organically try to get people to see your offer and see your affiliate link, or you can pay them to get people to see your offer, okay? Now, paying's obviously really, really easy. It's, hey, Facebook, here's $100. I want, how many people can I get to see this offer that I'm making for $100? And Facebook will give you so many people, and boom, it was that easy. But it's hard if you don't have the money to be able to do that, right? Which a lot of people don't, especially in the beginning. And that's where organic comes in. Basically, these platforms, they need content, right? Like Facebook only runs because people are putting out valuable content that people are interacting and engaging with. So the other way, if we don't have money, is we're taking these platforms like Facebook and YouTube and we're providing them with content, and then we're convincing them that our content is worthwhile and they need to show it to people, okay? So places like YouTube and Google, that's a search engine, okay? And we're convincing them that, hey, when people search things, we want our stuff to show up. Our stuff is the stuff you should show them because that's exactly what's going to answer the question they're searching with. And then places like Facebook and Instagram, we're trying to convince Facebook and Instagram that, hey, when someone pops open their phone and starts to go like this, we want you to show them our stuff, okay? We don't want you to show them other people's stuff. We want you to show them our stuff. And we don't want to pay for it. We want to do it organically. Okay, so that's what we're going to do here. We're going to carve out all the paid stuff for now, and we're going to show you how to be able to take these platforms, these online platforms, and organically use these platforms to be able to get a large reach and get a large audience and get people to see and then obviously eventually click the affiliate offers that we're going to make. 3 ways: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. We're going to start with Facebook, okay? And the way we're going to talk about on Facebook is basically using Facebook as a network. And if you remember, Facebook is a social network, so we're just using it for what it wants to be used for, okay? But what we're going to do is basically we're going to head to a Facebook and we're going to create a profile if you don't have one, and then we're going to go find people that could potentially benefit from our affiliate offer, okay? So for example, if I was an affiliate with my own personal affiliate marketing course that I sell, I would go out there and I would find people in Facebook groups. I'd go here and I'd type in affiliate marketing, and I'd go find people that are in Facebook groups that are about affiliate marketing, okay? Or online marketing in general, right? Just making money online, or a lot of the same market. Then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to build connections with these people, okay? I'm going to join all these groups, and I'm going to talk in these groups. I'm going to talk to people and add people as friends and do all kinds of things. The really important part of that is you're adding people as friends. So you're adding 50 to 100 people a day as personal friends, okay? But then you're also interacting with them inside of these groups. The next thing you're doing is you're posting consistently on your Facebook page, okay? At least once a day, I'd say 2 to 3 times a day, you're posting valuable content for these people, whether it's, cool little things about making money online, anything that'll really establish you as like an authority figure or somebody that's like really big in that particular niche that you're trying to target with your affiliate offers. And then what you're going to do is once every 3, 4, 5 affiliate offers, you're going to go in and you're going to make a post, once every 2, 3, 4, 5 value posts where you're just posting something about your niche or something about you or something like that. you're going to go in and you're actually going to make an affiliate offer on your Facebook profile, okay? But you're going to do it in a very special way. Sorry, I'm going to show you on the screen here. This is a guy that I follow that does this just so well, so I want to use him as the example here. There it is. Okay, so he's posted a lot of things. He's interacted with a lot of people. He's networked on Facebook essentially, right? By commenting and posting things that people can comment on. And then every couple times he does something like this. He says, would you trade $20 for the software that produced the below amazing results? And you can see the software below has got some pretty cool results, like $300 or $400. And then he proceeds to do a story, an affiliate link, and he asks a question. And right here it says he's got 67 comments of people that are interested in that, okay? Now they're not just interested out of the blue. These are people that know who he is. They've seen him posting a lot in groups. They've seen him posting on his personal profile. They've interacted probably on his profile. So he's built the network beforehand, right? And this can be done in just a few weeks or a few months. He's built that network beforehand, and when he comes and makes this affiliate offer, it just works for him because he's done that work beforehand, right? To establish the relationship and establish himself as somewhat of an authority in that space, okay? Facebook lets you have 5,000 friends, okay? So you've got a free audience of 5,000 potential people that you can start affiliating with. You're not going to spam them. You're not going to inbox them your affiliate links. You're going to do it just like this, where you're providing value, and then sometimes you're making an affiliate offer, and people are going to buy it. The next thing is, and my personal favorite, YouTube, okay? YouTube is such a cool platform because I can put out a video today, and in 2023 I can still be making money off that single YouTube video, okay? So it is awesome, and it's also free. YouTube does all the hosting. YouTube does everything. All you need is some kind of phone or some kind of device that can capture video, and you are a YouTuber. No money down, right? Now, it's really important that as an affiliate, you're putting out the right kind of YouTube videos, okay? So let's hop over to YouTube, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. If you just throw out a bunch of YouTube videos about random stuff, you're probably going to struggle to make affiliate commissions. But typically, the affiliates that do well on YouTube are making very specific videos. They're making reviews, they're making demos, and they're making tutorials, okay? So let's say I sign up to be an affiliate for ClickFunnels, which is a product I promote. Well, when you go to ClickFunnels Review, boom, we've got all these people making a review of ClickFunnels, and if you look in their descriptions, they're adding affiliate links, and if you watch their videos, they're referring people to those affiliate links, okay? So the video is totally free to make these videos, totally free to do all that, and then the affiliate link is mentioned in the video and down below. YouTube is awesome, okay? Totally free, really passive once it gets running. It just takes some time and putting out some content to actually make YouTube get up and running well. A couple tools you can do, a couple cool tricks you can use to like find the right content to do reviews about. First thing is just go find products that you're already using and make reviews about them, okay? Like I assume if you're choosing a niche that you're like somewhat immersed in that niche, you probably are already doing stuff in that niche. Go make reviews about the products that you're already using. Another way is you can type in space, and then review in YouTube. Then move your cursor back to the beginning, and then you can do letters. So if I type in A here, right, I'm getting all these letters that start with A that end in review. B, same thing. Okay, maybe you guys know what these are. I have no idea what any of these are. Elf Foundation review, Enter the Gungeon review. Woo! I don't know where these are coming from, but these are things people are searching for. So I must just be not living in the same world as everybody else. But anyway, that's one way to find. The other way is you can use a free tool called Uber Suggest. Uber Suggest is by Neil Patel. You can type that in. Oops. You can go into Uber Suggest. It's totally free. You can type in something like ClickFunnels. And it's going to give you a bunch of ideas that you can potentially use to make videos about, like ClickFunnels pricing, right? That person's interested in signing up for ClickFunnels, so you can make a video about ClickFunnels pricing and get some signups. Like that actual video works. There's 5,000 people a month looking to understand the ClickFunnels pricing structure because it can be a little bit confusing. All you got to do is make a video about that, put your affiliate link in the description, and boom, you have the potential to make money. Like I said, every video is not going to rank. Every video is not going to make money. You've got to be consistent and put out videos, and over time, certain videos will do better than others. The third thing is Instagram. Now, Instagram is all about building an audience and then making affiliate offers, okay? So unlike YouTube, where we're kind of building an audience while we're making the affiliate offer, Instagram, you're going to build an audience by picking a niche, posting, using relevant hashtags, doing all that basic stuff. And honestly, I'd buy a course on Udemy, like that link is down below, for $10 and learn a little bit more about Instagram, but you don't have to. But basically, you're going to be very consistent posting on Instagram, using hashtags and things like that. You're going to build up a little audience of people, which is actually really easy to do on Instagram, like a lot easier than a lot of the other platforms. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add your affiliate link in the description, just like this right here, okay? And you're going to make posts that point to that affiliate link, okay? So like one of my posts could be, hey, want to make money online, link in the description, right? Or free training for making money online, link in the description. And that can be an affiliate link like this one that refers them to that. The other way you can promote it is in your Instagram story. So you pop open your phone, you do a story to your followers that you've been working to build, and you say, hey guys, like, I've got a cool offer for you. Like, whether if you're in the weight loss niche, you can say, I've got this cool challenge that this guy's running. It's like 50 pounds in 50 days that you can lose. There's a link in my description. Go ahead and head over there, right? So that's the two ways that you can do that on Instagram. Now, all these, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, all of them are going to take time, okay? You don't have money, so what you do have is time. It's going to take you being consistent on whatever platform you decide to go for, but it is totally possible, okay? Almost every YouTuber or every affiliate marketer started there where they didn't have any money and they were doing it this way. Then you can take some of this money and you can reinvest that money you're making into doing some of these paid things, buying microphones and computers and cameras and ads and things like that, okay? But it's totally possible. All you got to do is pick one of these, get very consistent, and honestly, I would buy a $10 Udemy course to like actually get a fair basic understanding of how to market on that particular platform. But you don't have to. Experience is one of the best teachers, they say, right? Anyway, now I told you there's going to be a free training. There totally is, coming right up here. Click it, you'll get a free training. Look inside my affiliate business, how I'm able to make a full-time income and win some cars as an affiliate marketer. Now remember, take life by the horns.